Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my video. I want to do a video showing 4 video games I got from Gamestop.com that was on sale. And this is what the first game looks like. It's Madden 16, the front of it. And this is the back of it. And the next video game is Borderlands, the front of it. And the back of it. This one I should be able to play on my Xbox One, even though it's an Xbox 360 game. Next, NBA 2K 2016, front of it and the back of it. And last game, Agatha Christie, the ABC Murders, the front of it and the back of it. And it's rated T for teens. And that's all the games I got today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the video.